Hi, to take scrolling screenshot on your Poco F6, we will need to launch any app in which we can take this scrolling screenshot first. For example, let's open settings. So now we just need to take usual screenshot. We can do it with the help of swiping down with 3 fingers or with the help of pressing the power and volume down buttons like that. And now you can see this scroll option which you need to tap, and now it is automatically scrolling, or you can just swipe up with your finger to scroll till the end. And when you are done with the screenshot, just press the done button and this is how it will look. You can edit it, you can draw something on the screenshot. For example, I'm gonna draw a heart. You can delete it if you messed up, you can share with the screenshot and save it to gallery. So let's save it and check how it will look. I'm gonna open my gallery and that is the scrolling screenshot. So we just captured the whole page. You can see everything on this screenshot. And that is the usual screenshot, by the way. So you can check the difference by yourself. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.